Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, the cryptocurrency market saw a downward trend, with the price of Bitcoin, BTC, to Tether, USDT, dropping by 3.12%, Ethereum, ETH, to USDT dropping by 4.83%, and Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT dropping by 4.72%. This downturn follows an overall trend in the market, with investors taking a more cautious approach. Despite this, the market remains optimistic that prices will soon rebound.
Latest news.
Microsoft partners with Space and Time to add real-time blockchain data for Azure Cloud. Microsoft and Space and Time have partnered to make real-time blockchain data available to developers through the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. This partnership provides businesses the ability to build on the blockchain without revamping their existing tech architecture, allowing them to access, manage, and perform analytics on the blockchain data. This is a huge step forward in ensuring the world has verifiable data. A16z says it's working on an optimism-based rollup called Magi. A16z's crypto arm has announced Magi, a rollup client for Optimism written in the Rest programming language. The project is meant to provide a faster alternative to the existing rollup client, Opnode, and to attract more developers. The announcement follows speculation on Twitter sparked by Citron's tweet of an orange dot with coming soon. A16z's CTO clarified that the firm was not working on a Layer 2 blockchain. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong reveals possibility of relocating HQ to the UK. Coinbase, a US-founded cryptocurrency company, is considering relocating its headquarters to the UK if the US regulatory environment does not improve. CEO Brian Armstrong stated that the UK is Coinbase's second biggest revenue market and the company is looking to diversify its regulatory environment. The UK has declared its intentions to become a crypto hub, evidenced by recent moves like the establishment of the HM Treasury's Crypto Assets Task Force. Coinbase is currently navigating regulatory challenges in the US, having received a Wells notice from the SEC in March 2022. Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency company, is exploring the possibility of relocating its headquarters to the United Kingdom due to the challenging regulatory environment in the United States. The UK is Coinbase's second-largest revenue market and the company is looking to diversify its regulatory environment. The UK has declared its intentions to become a crypto hub and Coinbase is currently navigating regulatory challenges in the US. CEO Brian Armstrong emphasized that the relocation to the UK is part of the company's plans for regulatory diversification and will only happen if the US regulatory landscape fails to improve over a number of years. Serbian police seized Kwon's 2.1 million apartment in Belgrade. Serbian police have seized the luxury Belgrade apartment of Terraform Labs CEO Kwon, who has been in hiding for 6 months during a manhunt. The apartment was purchased by Kwon's partner Han Chongjun for 2.1 million. Kwon and Chongjun have been charged with fraud related to the 51 billion collapse of the Terra blockchain network last May. Serbian police have seized the luxury apartment in Belgrade where Terraform Labs CEO Kwon was hiding during a 6-month manhunt worth 2.1 million. Interpol arrest warrants have been issued for both Kwon and Chongjun. This press release announces that Serbian police have seized the luxury apartment in Belgrade belonging to Terraform Labs CEO Kwon, who has been in hiding for 6 months. Kwon and his partner Han Chongjun have been charged with fraud related to the 51 billion collapse of the Terra blockchain network last May and Interpol arrest warrants have been issued for both of them. U.S. judge denies Kwon's request to block SEC's access to Terraform Labs documents. Judge Jed Rakoff has dismissed Kwon's request to prevent the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) from accessing documents pertaining to Terraform Labs (TFL) and Luna Foundation Guard (LFG). The SEC has filed a formal complaint against Kwon for fraud and unregistered security sales. Kwon has been arrested in Montenegro for running away for almost a year and is facing charges in both the US and South Korea. Singapore has initiated its investigation into TFL and could likely lay out its charges against Kwon. This decision by Judge Rakoff will allow the SEC to continue its investigation into Kwon's alleged fraud. Bank of England successfully tests DLT to settle transactions in central bank money. The Bank of England and the Bank for International Settlements have successfully completed a pilot test using distributed ledger technology, DLT, to improve transaction speed and reduce costs for central bank real-time gross settlement, RTGS, systems. This technology, which is used to record and verify crypto transactions, has sparked innovation in traditional finance, with banks all over the world exploring potential applications. The Bank of England is now conducting further research and development on a digital version of the pound sterling and is encouraging public input. Hong Kong court ruling: cryptocurrencies can now be held on trust. In a landmark ruling, the Hong Kong court has declared that cryptocurrencies are property and capable of being held on trust. This ruling aligns with similar considerations of crypto as property in mainland China and other common law jurisdictions. This recognition of cryptocurrency as property has significant implications for the cryptocurrency market, providing legal protection for investors and paving the way for more institutional investors to enter the market. This ruling is a positive step towards Hong Kong's goal of becoming a cryptocurrency hub. Bitcoin and Ethereum sharply falling amid investor caution. Today, Bitcoin and Ethereum prices have dropped more than 4%, with Bitcoin plunging below $30,000 and Ethereum retreating to the $9,000 level. Global stock markets are under pressure as the Bank of England and European Central Bank discuss raising interest rates further, leading to a shift of money towards the dollar in foreign currency markets. As a result, gold, crude oil, and Bitcoin are all under pressure as dollar alternative assets. According to Coinbase, there have been over 1 million enforced liquidations in the cryptocurrency market in the past 4 hours. Today, the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum have dropped significantly, reaching a low of $29,000 and $1,980, respectively. The shift of money towards the dollar in foreign currency markets has led to a decrease in value of dollar alternative assets, such as gold, crude oil, and Bitcoin. This has resulted in over 1 million enforced liquidations in the cryptocurrency market in the past 4 hours. UAE's Securities Regulator opened doors for cryptocurrency firms to apply for licenses. The United Arab Emirates has announced that it is now accepting license applications from firms wishing to offer cryptocurrency services within the country. The Securities and Commodities Authority, SCA, has been entrusted with regulating the sector and has outlined the operational standards that must be met by virtual asset service providers, VASPs. The new regulation also grants the SCA the power to request supplementary documents from crypto companies, stipulates minimum capital requirements, and will be amended in 2022 to include financial activities such as brokerage and custody of virtual assets. This move indicates the UAE's commitment to regulating the rapidly growing cryptocurrency sector in the country, while protecting investors' funds from illegal practices. Goodbye, million SWET tokens burn. New governance proposal seeks community input. SWET Economy, the team behind the SWET token, has announced a new Web3 governance proposal that will allow the community to decide what to do with 100 million of its native tokens. On April 8th, the community will be able to vote on whether to reward long-term stackers or burn the tokens. Everyone with liquid tokens will be able to cast their vote, with one token representing one vote. The team believes that everyone should have a say in the direction of the company, regardless of the amount of tokens they hold. The results of the vote will be used to determine how to distribute the tokens.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all the best as you embark on your cryptocurrency journey. May you find success and make a lot of money.